Alright, today's video, got myself a GoPro mic for my Hero 3. I'm not rich, so I'm still running the Hero 3 here. I think we're at Hero 7. So let's try this out. I'm gonna go no mic first, and then I'll go mic, see the sound difference. The mic cord wasn't as long as I wanted it to be, so I had to put my GoPro here. So hopefully it looks okay. Extra mount here just in case this comes off. Cleaned my car last night, uploaded a video about that, so there's the car looking good. So let's try this out. Let's see how this GoPro mic picks up sound. All done. Going to GNC. Still got 25.6 miles per gallon. Having fun. Hey, check out my odometer. All those sevens must be good luck.